Hello friends! I hope you have a happy day and full of happiness. Today I will share with you a new video, special and effective. We need this ingredient to make this recipe. So let's start. 1 cup of boiling water, 2 teaspoons of tea powder, 2 teaspoons of henna powder, Now mix all the ingredients very well. Note the time to apply this mixture on your gray hair and leave it on for 30 minutes. Then wash it off by cold water. Oh, finally! I hope this video helped you too. Please share this video with your friends and family. And please don't forget to subscribe us, and we are waiting for your feedback and comments.